I'm going to apologize for being late, but no one's here, so. Just go back to playing some more Rust before work. These markets kind of suck. You know what I'm saying, dog? You know what I'm saying? Another kind of crappy night of sleep. This HGH peptide I'm taking is supposed to make me sleep better. I've been peeing more, not sleeping better, bro. All right. Peter in the house. How you doing, brother? Is Michael Saylor and Michael Strategy? Maybe. A lot of people are calling it a scam. A lot of people are pissed off at Strategy. I'll put it this way. I don't think it's a great place to invest your money. The upside hasn't been there. The downside risk is tremendous now. Oh, good. Tasty Trades doing that thing. Two likes. Hell yeah. Only one person here. Nope. Wrong video. What is going on with this crypto market? Oh, did I put that in yesterday? I don't think those times are right. Is that the right video? Let's refresh. Yeah, I don't know if those are right. Oh, yeah, there we go. Not gonna lie. There we go. I'm running out of hope. Yesterday's title. Let's see how we're doing. Views are down. Jason in the house. Who's this guy? How you doing, brother? Word. When it's over. Yeah, it was getting pretty ugly. We'll have to see how it holds up today, bro. Stock market. I'm up on my calls. I wonder if I should just take that off. Ooh, NBIS filled. What must be the calls? Yeah, the calls filled. We're in the money on the putties. Here, putty, 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 putty. All right, let's get into the stock market. Here, putty, putty. Coinbase getting slammed. I'm really bummed out on that one. Ethereum's green, but I put some ETH calls on. That's every time I do something stupid, I get wrecked. I'm down to $2,300. I should just take the loss now and then offset it. Uh-oh, my mic's messed up. What is changing that? I gotta increase the volume. So be forewarned. What is changing that? Oh, it must have been Teams again, bro. I set Teams to not adjust my mic, but I think it still is. All right, microphone check, check. I got built-in like mic volume level shit. So all these apps with their little AI is annoying. You pay. Ooh, what's a poop report? Where you been, buddy? In Palm Springs again or something? When it's over. I mean, the waste of time report's up. It's 2 pages, bro. Like he's just phoning it in. LID and RKT, like Rocket isn't going anywhere. That's alpha. This morning we analyzed RKT, and where's it going? Nowhere. Let's analyze something that's going nowhere. Let's waste people's time on something. Where is it going? It's going nowhere. Well, I don't know what LDI is. LDI is probably an easier 10x. 10x. Okay. He's throwing around 10x's. He's going with the 10x clickbait now. What is LDI? I'm the dummy because I don't know what that is. Loan Depot is going to 10x. It's got a 600 million market cap. Can it go to 6 billion? Sure. Sure. High risk. It sells mortgage. Isn't there a housing crisis that's going to happen? Like why this is not sexy at all. At all, bro. I'm trying to be optimistic with this Meet Kevin shit, but his videos have just utter crap. I don't know why anyone still watches this guy. Oh no. This is much better alpha right here. Prepare for Jackson Hole. Like if you like listening to him just talk and whatever and kind of like his opinion, I mean, he's okay, but when he turns it into videos or he does his little, like goes into like, this is going to be a short video mode. And then the titles he puts are just utter crap. What the actual F? He loves leaning into those. Powell's about to F us. Okay. Crap. It's over. Like he just hits it hard. And then you listen in the video and it's just him rambling and selling his garbage. And then a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Nothing about, oh, it's actually over. Trump. Oh my goodness. He's such a clown, dude, but he's getting paid. He's sucking in your money. Be sure because the price is going up. You don't want to miss out. C-Course Live Start for Fundy on these. Okay, what does that mean? Momentum this week. Buffett, Home Depot, Lowe's. But what a bunch of boring ass stocks. Suggesting there's no rotation into real estate right now, dude. Maybe for like 3 days. Powell could accelerate that? No. Uptrend? I'm not. What's uptrend? Is that like Updog? Have you guys heard of the Updog stock? Oh my goodness. Uptrend. What is uptrend? Uptrend, DevOps, SRE. I mean, I should know what this is. Monitor your APIs. Yeah. I don't know if this is what he's talking about. Absent Friday coming and going. Very few catalysts until Friday morning to say go bullish. Yeah. I mean, that's the best alpha he has in this report. And that was like the entire world is sitting around waiting for Friday. Anything, look for potential dip buys of your favorite long holds today, tomorrow before 7 a.m. for JPAL. Yawn. If we set up hawkish cut Friday, I think there's a shot at 20 on Rocket sooner rather than later. So he's really leaning into Rocket because he knows real estate, right? So trade what you know. But I don't know that those are good stocks. Updog, what? Yeah. Have you guys heard of the Updog company? Jason, have you heard of Updog? Do you have like when you on your have you been watching Room 40 the last couple weeks? Is that why you haven't been around? All right, that was a 10 out of 10 waste your time report. Kids been out. Oh yeah. They've been out of school for months. Hopefully we're streaming on Rumble. I haven't checked. Oh no, call your boss. Wipe that pus up out your eyes. So tasty. In the morning, throw the coffee down your pie hole. It's hot. Four-legged goat. Oh no. Burn a hole in your throat. Boogie in your butt. Stick a bee up your butt. Stick money up your butt. Bet it feels funny up your butt. Boogie in your butt. All right, Tesla. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Are we tanking? E-minis down 21. NASDAQ down 180. JT in the his house. How you doing, brother? Bitcoin not looking so good. Ugh. Shut the screens off, bro. Yep, we going down. Coinbase getting wrecked. Ethereum red. Boogie in your butt. Hood down $5. This is ugly, bro. NBIS down 4. Oklo down 3. Yeah, this is not what I wanted to see today. I kind of was afraid this would happen, but I wasn't. I'm just gonna deal with it, bro. Like, oh no, how low can we go? I don't freaking know, dude. Usually these are buy the dip opportunities. Do I have some cash? I might buy some shit here. I got some cash. I'm gonna wait until I think it's over, and then I'm gonna buy a little bit. I was kind of, yeah, me too, bro. But I don't know. They're just leaning into the fear. The big boys are leaning into the fear. Uh-oh. Actually, I think I want, yeah, I'm gonna order. A boogie in your butt. A boogie in your butt. Da, 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 da. A boogie in your butt. It kind of happened not too long ago where it was 2 terrible days and then it bounced back, right back. I don't remember being at this bad. And then bouncing back within 2 days. It lasted a couple weeks. Oh, I guess it was like 3 days and then bounced. So yeah, we're on 2 days. I'm just looking at like Nvidia. Boogie in your butt. I'm really bummed that I bought back into Coinbase and this is happening. I can't imagine like anything Powell says or does would make it worse. This is sell the fear, buy the sell the fear, buy the and buy the news. Probably what's gonna happen. But sometimes this shit happens in August and lasts till like October. Boogie in your butt. I mean, it feels ugly, but and some stocks is uglier than others. But we keep just going down and then going back up. This was ugly. This wasn't too long ago. Ended in June. Started in February. Now this was ugly. Hopefully we don't get one of these. Why did this happen? I don't even remember, bro. Palace. No. I think it's just a little bit of games. Why did we go down so much here? This was 20%. What happened in February? Oh, I remember tariffs. So since the tariff news, we're still up 4% on the S&P. Someone was saying, I think JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs are saying just invest in bonds the next 10 years because the stock market's not going to go up a lot. Yeah, I don't know about all that, dude. We still got this AI craze. The S&P M2's pulling down, which is good. We're almost, what are you talking about? 20% on what? Pullback? Bro, we're only down like 2. The S&P is only down 2% from, and that's from all time highs. The NASDAQ looks like it's down maybe like 3 or 4%. Let's see, 3.6. So I don't, maybe 20% on your Nvidia. I doubt it's down that much. Down 8. It got pretty ugly during that tariff shit. This was a buy the dip. Right now, this is nothing. It feels super bearish. It feels bad, but this is nothing at the moment. I would like to catch a bid before it becomes something. NASDAQ now down 300. I mean, it'll probably come down to 22,855. Hell, 13% brings it down to the fib. Coinbase down 8, HUD down 6. Bullish just continuing. This one's, you got to be a complete moron to invest in that one. Tesla, I'm super bullish on. It's catching a bid at the 50, or catching support. I'm up decent now on the calls. 30 days to go. Should probably take those off. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. We've made a decent bit now. Actually, no, I'm going to keep those on for now. Maybe I'm getting greedy. Here, we're deep in the money on Oklo now, so we lost $2,000 on Oklo so far. That's okay. Rocket Lab below 40. Nothing to worry about there. I mean, if the market continues to go down, obviously all that shit's going to get ham-skied. BMNR at 49. I sold that yesterday. Meta Planet 560. Poor chicken genius. Palantir 149. That one's down bad. That one's why JT's not looking at his. Nvidia is not helping. CoreWeave down again. Eventually, this one I'm going to want to pick some up. In fact, CRWV. I wanted to see what we were looking at, like selling a put. Yeah, it's not worth the buying power for like $1. A microphone. Get it on. Costco. Tutanka. AMD. Getting tank skied. Yeah, these tech stocks, AI stocks, chip stocks. Just a little bit of like profit taking. Push them down. Big boys. Buy it back up. Not likely. Oh, bonds. We didn't look at bonds. Stacy's bonds up 4 ticks to 114.15. Look at the Fed rate watch tool. All your cookies. Let's see. We're current. Thing's such a pain. Current 425 to 450. So there's an 82% chance of a rate hike. It was like last week, this was 98%, bro. Last week, this was 98%, and bonds were like 116, 117. I'm like, yeah, that's rate cut. As it was going down, I said, yeah, there's less. This is leaving rate cut territory. I said that just by looking at the bond chart, and it's gone down. I'm the alpha, bro. I'm the alpha. Don't listen to the idiots. I saw Anthony Popliano. Oh, it's crazy. Inflation's only at 2%. It's insane that we haven't drastically cut rates. He's just a freaking Trump puppet, bro. Velez in the house. How you doing, brother? Coit in the house. How you doing, brother? Look at this chart. Look at these nuts. You watch Room 40 yet, Kurt? What did someone snitch on you? Or did you snitch on? I'm assuming someone snitched on you and you got them. Watch, great movie, didn't like the ending. What happened at the end? Meaning, I forget what happened at the end. It's based on a true story. He goes into witness protection. Is that in the movie? I don't remember. Oh yeah, he went into witness protection, and then like all the people were calling him a. Oh, that's why you don't call him a rat. Yeah, I mean, most people are gonna do that. That's why they, whenever a lot of times when like certain people get thrown in jail and they're in the mafia, the top have them whacked because they don't want them snitching. They know they're gonna snitch. He would go on Howard Stern later, and apparently he turned into like a flaming buffet. Like he really wanted the cock diesel. Promise fulfilled. Hell yeah. Good job, bro. Good job. Great movie. Great movie. How did you watch it? Were you able to rent it somehow, or you got it at your Blockbuster? Because I'm pretty sure Germany still has corner Blockbusters on the corner. Henry Hill was a drunk. Yeah. Yeah. He was a drunk and then apparently wanted the cock. I post the link in the movie. Was it some like have the MPAA coming after me type shit? Goodfellas. Billy Bit TV. Have you ever seen this movie? What's it called? Bring It On? This is such a good movie, bro. Classic. You had to have seen that movie. Wild Ride Halfway. That's a great one. Great movie. Is it better than Goodfellas? I mean, too completely. This is just full of like comedy and wittiness. Old, yeah. I mean, 90s. It has what's her face in it too. That black chick that's super fine, but it's kind of turned into a weirdo. All right, let's go to Crippo. I guess. Total 374. Come down to the 50. Bitcoin market cap below the 50, continuing to take. Bitcoin dominance staying at 60, the 60 handle. Bitcoin at 112.6. This is ugly. Still in the channel though. Like we want to hold this or oh boy. We got a long way to go to the fib and the 200. We're looking at 100K possible here. Ethereum, I think, is chilling at the fib. It's finding support at the 20-ish and the fib. We need this to hold or oh boy. I mean 3,400. Like it wasn't that long ago Ethereum was 2,600. And I was looking at this. Here's some alpha for you. Here's some major alpha. Last cycle, remember the 1400? The previous all-time high in 2017 was like 1400 and trying to get to new all-time highs in Ethereum last cycle, how rough it was. You might not remember. One time it got it, it touched it for like a second and then pulled back 26% and then quickly got back up, went above, went a little bit higher, and then pulled back 13%. Right here, it got close before it did it. So it got close like we just did. This was $100 and some away. We just did something similar and it pulled back 25%, bro. 27%. Got close to all-time high and pulled back 27%. Got to all-time high, pulled back immediately pulled back within 3 days, 25%. Those are like you're super bullish to super bearish within a matter of days. Got above it, and then third time's a charm. Well, second time of going across. Here's the third time, and pulled back again. This one was a small dip, 11%. I mean, that's kind of what we're at now. And then blasted through. And then it blasted through, and then guess what? It got all the way to 2000, like 50% above all-time highs, and then bam, 36% dip. You forget how quickly this goes up and down. It's easy to forget. Goes back up to 1900. Oh, we're in the Gucci gravy now. Nope. Pulls back 20%. We make a run at all-time highs. Get about $150 away. I mean, this is just round one. We might have 3 or 4 more rounds to go over the next month or two. Down 15%. Round one, right here. Down 33%. So we got another 15% to go, baby. Potentially. That takes us down to 3,200. It comes quick. Crypto's hard, dude. You either have to be really good at timing and buying and selling and playing that game, which I don't try and do, or just hold. Hold and hope you don't hold on the final, top and round trip. I'm going to remove and alleviate a big part of that headache next time. I'm just buying Bitcoin. I would have just loaded the boat on Bitcoin at 30,000. I'd be up a 4x. I'd be pretty happy. If I can get out good, I'm going to take 4 or 5x's. There'll be times like when Bitcoin starts tanking and whatever and this and that, there'll be plenty of fear. This is it. This is the end of Bitcoin. This is the end of Ethereum. Oh my goodness. Look who showed up. Like you, bro, you're trying to get fired being late every day. I don't remember looking at the ETH charts because you're a simp. Oh, you had to say it twice. I missed the first one. You're such a sensitive little bitch. You getting excited for Puma season, guys? Mike's showing up late as shit. How you doing, brother? You guys getting ready? Just around the corner. Cat calendar, Puma season. I ordered some different hoodies from 32 Degrees. I'm going to check them bitches out. Let me see if those bitches have been, when they're coming in. Oh, Keystone finally got back. We haven't. Oh, we're on. No, you can shove your Keystone up your ass. Keystone is one of the worst hardware wallets on the planet. What did that? Terry pullover hoodie. Being shipped via FedEx. That was 8 days ago. Should be showing up or showing up. End of day today. Let's go. Wait, it's currently in scheduled delivery date Wednesday. but it departed Olathe, Kansas. Is 32 degrees in Kansas? No, it started in New Jersey. So it's supposed to be delivered today, but it left Kansas. So I don't think that's happening unless the plane's landing soon. I'm excited. I don't know if they're going to be Puma replacements, but Costco seems like they abandoned Puma last season. Like they had them at the beginning, but you couldn't get them later on in the season. And I don't see them being added to the lineup. Don't get the Puma underwear. They cause a lot of like skin irritation for me. Yeah, they don't have the new Puma lineup yet. I'm hoping they get that. But and I'm not sure if these are as thick. These I got these right here. They look comfy and they're only $17, dude. But I think these are a bit thinner. Oh, they got full zip. What's the jogger? Is that thicker? Oh, the pants. Ooh. Are they 100% cotton? I don't think so, bro. They're terry. They got like plastics in it, I think. Look at him. Sexy looking dude, huh? 100% polyester. Microplastics in my nuts. Let's see what Walmart has. They always had the Champion, which I was not a big fan of. Reebok. Ah, interesting. Athletic Works. Hanes, nope. These Reebok look kind of shitty. And they're expensive just because they have the Reebok name on them. Athletic Works. Fruit of the Looms. Do they have Russell? I think Costco have had them in the past. I tried them, and I know that's your brand. The last time I tried them, they looked better, but they just weren't working for me. No, they don't have them. Hoodie? I'm gonna try hoodie. See what pops. Gap, men's hoodie, Spider, Puma crew sweatshirt. That's the lame ones. Ooh, Puma men full zip hoodie. That's different. Kirkland members only. Still a little early in the season. This is similar. Like these might be getting a couple of these might be okay. $21. I mean that's kind of an ugly logo. Back. This is not this. That one's okay looking. Okay, whatever, bro. Bitcoin 112.6. We need this shit to catch a bid, bro. All right, ramble time. We may be wrapping this up, bro. This market is just not worth watching. Ramble time. So, MicroStrategy losing the 2 MA very bad. Watching people are pissed off at MicroStrategy. Having sex might just prevent heart disease. Okay. Amazon to sell used cars. Okay. Tom Lee apparently has us still rallying into September. So either this week is a bear trap or his timing is. I think it's a bear trap. As frustratingly annoying as this is. What is Sequisha playing here? Target just announced Michael Fidelki will be. Who cares? Good morning, Jackson Hole. Tom Lee's in Jackson Hole? Like, why? Is going to the Powell speech like a thing to do? I know a lot of rich people like to go to Jackson Hole and like vacation and shit, but is it cool to be there when Powell's there or something? Like, what am I missing? Adam Schefter just dropped some more up to date. NFL won at 8. NFL points to 6. Thinks we'll settle before the season if he can. I hope so. We'll probably be closer to 6 than 3. And most likely outcome could be 5. I'm okay with 5. I'd love less, obviously. I told subs I'm looking for a 110K break. Break that 103. Break that. I don't. Okay. So you gave your subs something that was wrong. You changed it. That was wrong, and now you're just completely wrong. Okay, let me pay $12 for that alpha. What do you think is currently the most number one undervalued stock? My nuts. MicroStrategy is cooked. I took some shorts. Breaking the 200 is so bad. I mean, it is until it isn't. Bitcoin turns around, it'll turn around. Guys, I'm freaking out. I've accumulated 150,000 reward points. I have the option either get a 24 karat gold bar, gold card, or bar. Like, what do you? Breaking Fed confirms banks conserve crypto. This is not breaking. Like, you just keep recycling. Raoul Paul predicts mass buying. Okay, yeah, he called it the moron trade. MF or dumpster effer. The amount of really cool shit we have. I'm getting ready to order some. I'm getting ready to order like some Motzi and some Ipirellin. Kurt, you should get on the peptides with me. Not doctor advice. Bulk up, get all shredded. Well, we got the Genius bill coming in September, right, Ricky? Just in, Goldman Sachs, the potential market for crypto stablecoins is in the trillions of dollars. No shit, bro. Idiots. Way to go out on a limb. This is pretty insane. Pickleball. Who's playing pickleball? Who's playing that bitch ass sport instead of real tennis? for the less athletic. In times of trouble, investors go to Costco. They also shop there. Life hack. Breaking. Palantir extends decline over 20%. Uh-oh. Bitcoin trying to catch a bounce, but every time it does, it gets a little bit of a bounce and goes right back down. Clarity? Oh, Clarity Act. Have you seen that new show, Room 40, Ricky? Oh, I'm such a loser. A loser! Ugh. This one's going to be a buy sooner or later. I don't know when that's going to be, but oh, this is getting hamskied because of that Citron research, bro. Probably. Oh, now he left Jackson Hole? Was it, did he? Oh, I guess he said, did he say goodbye the first time and I missed it? In a rush, but big spreads just hit below the SPX. What does that mean? Taco Wednesday? Still need to watch Sinners? What do you mean? You haven't watched Sinners? I thought you already watched it and didn't like it. That's the greatest movie to come out since the Django. The D is silent. Oh, this is a waste of our time. Imagine trying to explain to someone that crypto is at an all-time high. Imagine Dragons. You guys like Imagine Dragons? Who likes Imagine Dragons in the chat? Isn't pickleball the same as poker? Yeah, pretty much. Time to convert everything and be done. No, I don't agree with that. I'm not converting to Bitcoin when I'm selling. Like I'll convert in the about 18 months after the crash. 12 to 18 months when we know it's over. When it's over. Tadalafil, you can order Tadalafil from Elite Research. And you can get 30 milligram tabs. Like who the F is taking 30? I haven't been taking Tadalafil. Maybe I should take some, get that fuzzy feeling. Crank one out. We need to crank a rally beat out. Need to beat the rally drums, bro. I'm thinking about it here. I'm beating them here. Blood on my face. I went to war. Bitcoin ain't rallying yet. How come you haven't watched Sinners yet? You like music too. I would imagine you'll love the movie. You'll probably hate it or go into it with a bad attitude because you know I like it. You're always going to be contradictory. 17 days? Is that right? I thought it was less. When it's over. It has a top candle? That's not good. I mean, who cares, bro? Top candles last for a little while. Weekly confirms on tops going into late August ain't good. Not good at all. Let's hope that Friday. Yeah, I mean, maybe we dip. Maybe I should sell some covered calls. What has Candace said about Chainlink? Who the hell is Candace? Chainlink is strong, bro. $25. It's green. Chainlink been strong like bull. Tutanka. Who is Candace? Say Candace one more time. I dare you. Look at the big brain on Ricky. I'm freaking hungry, dude. This semaglutide just, I think I need to up my dose. It's more manageable, but I'm hungry right now. Alex Becker's calling for alt season. Elon Musk is pausing his initiative to form. Yeah, that's not news. Johnny Unitas watch list. Who's our quarterback? DJ Warner. American Academy of Pediatrics pushes COVID-19 vax for all infants. Yeah. That's fucking scary. If you have an infant, are you you giving them COVID vaccines, or are you saying F that? I'd probably say F that. Let them get nature's vax. Wyoming is the first state to issue a stable coin. Cardano's all butthurt. Charles Dominic's birthday. Hood has, you can bet on football, bro. That's crazy. That's going to bring in crazy revenue. Like their next quarterly report on that is going to be insane. It's crazy that you can gamble. Like I'm in a state where sports gambling's illegal, but I can gamble because it's not gambling, it's prediction. I'm predicting. Predicting is not the same as gambling, even though it's exactly the same. It's crazy that you can get around that. Like, what? Gotta pee. I'm hungry. I'm tired AF. I woke up at 3:30. If you're cold, tired, and have brain fog, you're probably hypothyroid. Selenium, iodine, zinc, vitamin D. I'm getting plenty of most of those. I'm not taking iodine. I think supplementing iodine's dangerous. Big bounce holding support. What? You don't say what? I have to click on your stupid chart. Bitcoin? When was this? 1 minute ago? Let's check. Every time Bitcoin bounces, it does. Ooh, shit. This is a bit of a. Oh, it bounced off my line, guys. Who has the best TA? I do. My TA is be sure to get my course on the mindset of money and the psychology of money and the mentality of trading and the advanced techniques and fundamentals of TA. Link down below. Be sure to get it before the course prices go up. You'll be able to come to the member only stream. Be a member only VIP. No, those are lies. Because I don't do member only stream. I do have a member only chat. That's a ghost town. But you can get these courses and technical analysis. You have the best TNA. I do. Thank you. Let me hike my T's up. Yeah, for the Lolo of free 90 free. Be sure to hit the like, hit the prescribe. Bitcoin's still going. Ethereum bouncing, ADA strong like bull. I said yesterday or the other day I liked ADA a lot. I do believe the moron trade is a good trade. I like Doge because of the same moron trade. People are going to look, when the retail comes, a lot of morons are going to buy cheap, well-known, hyped coins. ADA, SWE. I was thinking this morning, why didn't I just put like 100,000 into Solana at $8? I'd be so happy right now, even though I probably wouldn't have sold. I probably wouldn't have sold up here at 260. I'd still be up 20x. 20x! I'd be up $2 million, bro. I would have been up 3 million at one point. I might have sold some. But keep that in mind. Like if Sol's like one of those garbage chains. Like when shit happens to it, it does feel like it's the end of the world. But maybe we yoke up and buy some because there's plenty there. I don't think it's gonna see the same thing it saw though. Like the reason it went insane is because of some of the worst stuff to ever happen to crypto. Pump.fun. It is a scam chain, bro. Like there's nothing to do over there but get your money scammed from you. 98%. I'm sorry. 98% of Solana is scamming people out of their hard-earned money. Yeah, they got some real legit stuff in like cooking with Kraken having stocks on there. That's about it. Everything's about MEV extraction, front running your trades, botting, arbitrage, scam meme coins. There is 99% negatives and 1% positives. 99 steps back, 1 step forward, 99 steps back. Didn't Paula Abdul have a song about Solana? How's the ADA BTC trade doing? Wait. Should have sold your BTC for Cardano. I have some BTC over on Cardano. I don't give a shit about maximizing my little BTC, my little rat BTC on Cardano. ETH big bounce. Is it big? I mean, I don't know about being big. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. Yeah, it's not bad. But these bounces, bro. Check Candace update on, dude. Oh, the Candace is going to be some gotcha like Candy's nuts fit in your mouth. What is the Candace, bro? Like just hit me. Just nail me. Candy's nuts fit in your mouth. There's got to be something like that, right? And how do I check Candace? Like just like what do you want from me, dude? What is Candace? Candace dick. I'll say you got me because it took me a while. I think dick is censored. Bitcoin 113.6. I mean, we saw this last night. Pretty sure it was like this last night. Is the stock market turning around? Yeah, last night it. Wait, where are we? Last night this shit at 5 o'clock was 115. Stock market turning around? Not really. Nasdaq's down 360. It's gonna come down to the fib. What's the dollar doing? Not so hot. Volatility's got to be up. Volatility's in the 17-ish, 18 handle on the future, on the futs, on the futs. All right, boys and girls. One-hour reversal. Okay. President Trump calls for Fed Governor Lisa Koch to resign following criminal referral. She looks like a criminal. She looks like she's up to no good. And it's not because she's black. She just looks like she's up to some shady shit. Justice Department has received. Yeah, Cook, man. Uh-oh, I gotta sneeze. Whoa. Tesla. We're down close to 50%. I'm going to put this at 50%. Okay. How close are we? A little bit to go. I'm trying to catch a bounce. Maybe I just take these off. I feel like the market's going to bounce today or tomorrow. I'm going to take these off at like, we'll try and squeeze a little bit of juice. And a little bit of theta decay. Just a few pennies down. Ethereum catching a bid. Let's see, we down 2,100 on my ETH calls. Coinbase down $5,000 today. Yuck, 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 yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. NBIS. I really, let's look at this chart. I really want to buy some of this. I just don't want to, like, I'm kind of looking to catch a falling knife. I'm going to hold off on buying another 100 shares right now. But it's getting really close. Maybe. Yeah. $4. Getting really close to. I want to buy this because this is just a about $5 away from its amazing earnings. I'm going to let this cook a little more. I'm going to show a little patience. Is it the right move? I honestly don't know. Dips are for simps that got their stop losses triggered. Bitcoin and Ether surging here off lows. Could see stocks follow higher after Europe closes. When do they close? Soon. God damn it, bro. I feel like this is gonna. So much for patience. I'm gonna buy 100 shares of NBIS. Are we gonna fill? Are we gonna get a fill? 62.80. I'll let that cook. I might buy some Oklo. I don't know that I have enough money though to buy Oklo. I don't have enough. All right, NBIS is filled. Oh, I have a put on too that could end up being something. More shares. All righty. NASDAQ down 400. Is the Bitcoin bounce still happening, or are we giving? Not bad. Holding at the 20. No, the 50. Catching support at the 50. That's the futures. Oh, so it's about the same. Below the 50. Need to get back up above. An engulfing bullish candle would be tight. I don't know that it would technically be engulfing. It would be close enough. But getting back above, like, I mean, we'd have to get close to 117. Maybe soon we're going to see a BR candle from Shardy. You were just saying on a TR candle, this is bad. It's bad until it's not, bro. You just got to hold. Like, maybe this goes down more. Maybe it doesn't. What do you ultimately think? Does Bitcoin ultimately go higher than this 124 by the end of the year? Is that what you think happens by the end of the year? Then don't worry about it. Don't worry about, oh no, it's going to get worse. It just, hello, you've signed up. One of the biggest things, here's some alpha, boys and girls. You have to be able to handle pain in the stock market in general, just the stock market alone. In order to be successful, you got to be able to handle pain and manage your risk. That handle pain. Crypto, shh, 10 times harder, 10 times more pain. I think he gets up every morning and beats off to a picture of Donald Trump. Sunday Labs is hiring. We banned Nix on Sunday. What does that even mean? What is Nix? I've never had aioli in my life. I don't know what is that the name of the restaurant? Corey Haim. It's Haim. What's he doing? Is this a different Corey Haim? Yeah, that's not the Corey Haim I know. Some racer. Who cares, bro? All right, Bitcoin 113.6, ETH now over 4,200. Let's go, baby. Chainlink picking up. What did Candace have to say about Chainlink? What about, have you seen the report by Mike Hunt? Can you get on the speaker and see if Mike Hunt's in the store? Ooh, look at Chainlink. Rip, baby. It's getting right in, forming engulfing candle. I don't know. Didn't someone call this a silver platter at $18? It's 50% of the way of being certified, bro. It's up 40% since I called this a silver platter and the pitchforks came out. Oh, that's such a boring. Yeah, me, Tom. You've already called that. No. I called it a blue chip. And then I came out and said, you want to make a minimum easy 2x, 5x potential. Easy. Easy money, bro. And Ricky, I think, is the only one that waffled. Like, he gave me shit, but then he YOLO'd. So props to Ricky on that one. Oh, Farnswoggle. I don't think Farnswoggle gave me shit. Like, he's a real bro. He saw my insight and agreed because he's a smart man and immediately agreed with my what does Dum Dum say? Cryptovisor, my investment thesis. My investment thesis on Chainlink is about as solid as a sure thing investment thesis as anyone's ever put on YouTube, bro. No one's been talking about that investment. No one's waxing on and telling you this is one of the easiest trades out there. You got something new on your watch list? What? You hook, line, and sinker. You got me, bro. What? Bitcoin pushing 114. Yeah, hopefully this is the turnaround. Soon? You'll tell me soon? Mean you're not going to tell me now? What kind of shit's that, dude? If you're not telling me now, or is that the ticker? Soundhound? I don't know why you think this is a good investment. What's your investment thesis on this? This is not a good idea. This might be one of the worst stickers you've mentioned. Nah, this isn't as bad as like space and shit, but this definitely is. I'm not a fan. Not a fan, bro. I don't like, no. What are you doing? Sure. Maybe buy this if it comes down to like 1150 and then maybe it rebounds maybe. But what are their financials? Are they losing money? They making money? Do you just simply looking at the chart and see that it's down bad thinking, "Oh yeah, it's going to do this again." You're going to give you a lot of people are talking about it. Are they? I haven't heard anyone talking about it. My final ad. This guy likes it. Support at 10. Don't get much better technical setup than this. Okay. How many people's following? He's got 662 followers. AI stocks are tanking. Why is Soon an AI stock? How is SoundCloud an AI stock? They have a lawsuit, so it may go lower. AI voice. So what? You can have an AI voice sing to your beats or some shit? That's kind of cool if that's the case. So they are doing some AI voice shit. That's kind of cool. So buying this cheap, I don't I don't hate it, but I also don't love it. I definitely don't muck love it. I McLove NBIS and Oklo. They're not silver platters. They're silver platter potential, but they're so McLoving. If I McLove it, that means it's getting close to silver platter. I definitely love McLove NBIS and Oklo. I don't even love SoundCloud. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I definitely don't muck love it. Link up $1, strong like bull to Tonka. Coinbase turning around. We are turning around, boys and girls. NASDAQ down 420. NASDAQ. That's the deep recesses. Is it a macaroni platter? SoundCloud? SoundCloud's like a Subway sandwich. A Subway sandwich on a glass plate. You'll eat it if it's there. If you're hungry, you'll eat it. I'm not hungry. The meatball? Nah, yeah. Well, I used to work at Subway. I used to make some freaking creations, bro. I used to get jiggy with the meatballs. Heat them up, and you do this. You just put the bun over, take a little tadalafil, nice warm meat sauce, bun. That thing is bomb. Yeah. It's not like health wise, I'm not sure. I didn't give a shit back then. The good old days. Yeah. No, this was even before this was in like the 90s, bro. They were below, they didn't even have to be below. The $5 foot long wasn't even a thing because they were cheaper than $5. And then shit got expensive, and then we had the great financial crisis, and everyone's like, "Oh, we're gonna go back to dollar menus and shit." Now, freaking combo meal at McDonald's is $18. President Trump may try to fire Lisa Lips. Just in, China is considering allowing yuan-backed stablecoins. Okay. Inflammation destroyers. Ginger. I have some ginger, but I haven't been taking it. Sweet potatoes, I eat about 60 grams of carbs for sweet potatoes during lunch. It upsets me that's that much. I guess I'll try and cut back on that a little, like 20 grams off. I'm trying to find like an additional source of protein. My doctor doesn't want me drinking protein shakes because he thinks it might be part of the reason my liver enzymes are slightly elevated. So I'm not doing that during this cycle until my next blood test to see. And I'm doing all this other shit that can lower it with like semaglutide. Could 2 to 3 grams of protein per kilogram. Well, I'm definitely not doing that. Mild elevations could exacerbate contamination. There was Dr. Mike did a video of protein shakes, and Kurt Owen or whatever came in second, but the quality of protein's not very good. And then Core Power came in number 1. Core Power is delicious. That shit's expensive, dude. It's like $4.50 a bottle. I mean, I guess I should buy some and just drink one a day. That's a nice boost of protein. I don't know. I'm being a tightwad. I just want to get a little bit more protein. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yep. Nope, I'm not going to do it until I get my next blood results. I want to see if I can get my liver to normal. I've been dieting hard, guys. It sucks. Arriving today. I thought I ordered something else. I ordered this plus something else. Did it not get? Maybe it's not yet shipped. It was supposed to arrive today. No? Oh, yeah, I ordered these cookies. Did they not get shipped? Or are they still in my cart? Yeah, they're still in my cart. I probably shouldn't order them. They're protein, but they're also some carbs. I don't know, guys. I'm going to remove you. And I'm going to... I can eat more yogurt, I guess. Little bit of Bitcoin, dipping a little. Womp womp. Oh shit, it's 8:02, guys. All right. That's a shame. All right, everyone. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Have a great day.